Okay geng, masa sudah sampai. Okay, giveaway bulan Februari. Bulan ini hadiah yang kita ada adalah kad NFC Touch and Go bernilai RM500. Okay, satu member kita akan memenangi giveaway ini. Okay, setiap lagi saya akan tengok siapa ada pemenang. Sekarang saya nak bagi tahu juga siapa belum jadi member, pergi website kita www.jomdiscount.my. Okey? Cepat-cepat pergi jadi member. Ada 3 package gangsa, package perak, package emas. Pergi website boleh tengok. Okey, masa sudah sampai. Jangan buang masa lagi. Jom kita tengok siapa pemenang dia. Okey, siapa pemenang bulan Februari Jom Discount? Kita akan tahu sebentar lagi. Siapa pemenang? Okey, itu dia pemenang bulan Februari 2025. Encik Gerald R telah pemenang kad NFC Touch and Go bernilai RM500. Okay? Ingat, ini terbuka kepada member-member kita saja. Jom kita telefon Encik Gerald sekarang. Okay? Hello?
Ya.
Hello, ini Encik Gerald ke?
Ya, betul.
Oh, hello Encik Gerald. Saya Adam daripada Jom Discount. Saya ada berita gembira untuk awak. Apa khabar?
Ya, kabar baik. Awak?
Khabar baik Encik. Okey Encik. Encik adalah member Jom Discount kan?
Ya, dah lama sikit lah.
Oh, okey Encik. Encik telah menang giveaway kita bulan ni. Kad NFC. Betul. Kad NFC Touch and Go bernilai RM500.
Okey, thank you.
Bagus tak?
Bagus lah.
Okey Encik, terima kasih banyak-banyak sebab sokongan. Okey, tolong kalau boleh Encik Gerald, kalau boleh tolong bagi tahu awak punya family, friends semua tolong join Jom Discount. Setiap bulan setiap bulan kita ada giveaway. Giveaway menarik. Hanya membership kita murah pun RM20 sebulan sahaja. Okey Encik?
Okey.
Kalau tolong bagi tahu kawan banyak-banyak. Terima kasih banyak-banyak sebab awak punya sokongan, okey?
Thank you.
Ini dia geng pemenang Jom Discount kad Enhanced Touch and Go card berjumlah RM500. Mr. Gerald, hi, how are you?
Yeah, I'm doing fine, thank you.
Here you are, here's your card, congratulations.
Thank you.
So, you excited?
I'm very excited.
How did you find Jom Discount?
Okay, so technically one day I was just in Facebook, so I actually got this information through my friend in Facebook. So he told me that why not you join, so you have a lot of benefits with it, and we also can see in the future, it's going to be something a very beneficial thing for us, so you may get some discounts in most of the places and stuff like this. So I said why not So one day I just tried, and then so this how I won is through Adam. So I think he was one of the guys. So he called me one day and he told me that you won the lucky draw. So I was like, I was driving actually. Then I was like, oh okay. And then he told me you just won it, so I'll come and pass it to you. So I didn't believe it until now I have it.
Alright, thank you. Okay, now can just see in your phone
Yeah.
Can register in your phone? Okay, you registered already?
Yep.
Okay, can I see? Itu dia geng, RM500 Touch and Go again. Mr. Gerald, congratulations.
Thank you.
Will you be sharing about us to your friends?
Definitely. So of course I'll share this. So make sure a lot of people join in as well and support.
Alright, thank you.
Bye.
Itu dia geng. Okey, awak semua nak menang. Tunggu apa lagi? Pergi jadi member hari ini kat website kita www.jomdiscount.my. Okey? Nak tahu lagi, boleh jumpa kita kat Facebook, kat Instagram, kat TikTok, kat YouTube kita, kat semua tempat. Okay? Cepat-cepat join. Kita ada lagi giveaway bulan February, March, April sampai akhir tahun. Okay? Lagi banyak orang join, lagi hadiah giveaway kita akan bagi. Terima kasih banyak-banyak, geng. Bye.